Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you have a pool like myself, or maybe a pond, or maybe you just get water in your basement and you're looking for a way to drain it out because it is a sump pump. Now this was sent over by a company called Tenzzola. This is the box it comes. Naturally, it's gonna come with a user manual. We're gonna go over all the features right here in the video. You're also gonna get some Teflon tape, so in case you are hooking up a hose to it, you can do this to get a nice watertight connection. You're also gonna get the little O-ring here that you can tighten so it has a nice strong clamp on it. They are gonna include a nice long rope here, so that way if you wish you can tie it around the handle itself and make it easier to pull out the pump out of the water. As an option if you need to utilize this. Now you are gonna get 3 different adapters here with nice little threaded ends. You're gonna get a 3/4 inch adapter, you're gonna get a 1 1/4 inch adapter, and then you're gonna get a 1/2 inch adapter. So depending on your hose setup, they got these. The adapter right on the hose itself is what I use because it's just a standard hose piece itself. They also include the little plastic rubber gasket here that can go across it if you need to utilize that as well. But so as you can see, here is the sump pump itself. So first off, you can see right here, I have a really, really long cord. This cord itself is a little over 16 feet long. So it gives you plenty of room if you're throwing this into a deeper end of the pool, because like my pool's only 6 feet deep, or even if you have like an 8 or 9 foot deep pool, you're fully covered with this. Or if you have a pond or something like that, you're gonna be covered with this cord, which is absolutely great. But if you even need deeper, like I said, you got the backup cord itself. And then as you can see, the sump pump is pretty nice and compact. They do have a little handle here, makes it easy to carry around. To give you an idea of the size of this thing, it is about 9.5 inches tall, and it's about 5 1/4 on the bottom. Now, one of the nice things about it, on both sides, you can see that is where the intake valves are, and they're on the sides right down to the low. So this thing will drain an area up to 1/8 of an inch. So it's gonna get rid of a lot of that water, gets it absolutely down to the middle part. It's also got a metal grate. So if you do get any debris in here or anything and it's trying to clean it off, you don't have to worry about breaking any of like the plastic parts. The metal part's gonna be nice and strong, which is absolutely great when it comes to like sticks in sludge or anything like that. Now, this is a 3rd horsepower pump. It does do 2,400 gallons per hour as far as discharge. Now that is going to depend on how high up you are doing it. So the verticality of this pump can push it up to 30 feet. Obviously, if it's going more vertical going, the gallons per hour goes down. So if you have it basically going almost straight out, you're gonna get that high gallon rate. But if you do have a high lift, that's gonna slow down the gallons per hour rate as far as removing it. But it's not made out of cheap plastic parts, which is what I really, really like. It's very, very industrial, very easy to utilize. Simply just have it sit flat. Don't have it on its side or anything like that. Just have it sitting flat on the base. And because it's got the low 1/8, it's able to remove that water. But overall, if you're looking for a great sump pump, like I said, for your pool, pond, basement, whatever, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.